Would you believe this? You can make your own homemade vegetable stock. This is a very easy recipe. First you saute the onions and then add the rest of the vegetables and fry them until soft. All you need is vegetables, peelings and any leftovers, and as long as you don't have cabbage, cauliflower or something. So you choose vegetables that can go with anything. I'm gonna add the herbs. I'm gonna add all the spices. Add water. Now transfer all the vegetables into the slow cooker. But of course you can cook it on a normal hob or in a pressure cooker. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay, so now let's see. So we have high, that's off, so high and low and medium. So I'm gonna put medium there. And then I think probably that's gonna be about 8 hours. Okay, we come back later. So now it's been a couple of hours. So now what I'm going to do now is just to stir it properly, just to make sure you turn it all over and you mix it properly, and then put the lid back on. So this is going now for 6 hours. It's definitely not ready. So anyway, we might have to add more hours. So now I think this is done. It's time. I've checked the vegetables, they're cooked, and I checked everything. So it's time to switch this thing off. So it's been 10 hours. So I'm gonna switch it off now. There you go. It's switched off there. So now it's time to sieve the vegetable stock. So this is what it looks like after it's been sieved. It's thick. Pretty good, I guess. Now it's time to fill in all the ice cubes, and then once we've done that, we've put them in the freezer to store them. Now cover them and put them in the freezer. You can store them up to 6 months. Now let's add the vegetable stock into our cooking that I made the other day. So now I have, right, so now I have here, so this is lentil soup. So I'm gonna add one there just to see how good it is. So I added one into my soup and it tasted really lovely. Here you go, easy peasy. What are you waiting for? Enjoy.